Okay guys, Ram 2022 1500 cabin air filter. Let's check it. I don't know when it was last looked at. So we got to take the glove box out. And we got to get all this junk out of here. Right here is the little cord that makes it so when you drop the glove box it doesn't just flog down. We got to take that out first. Okay, little plastic trim tool will probably help. There we go. And then just let it go. And then from what I understand, there's oops, clip here or something. Okay guys, so what you're going to do to get these two sides off is just kind of push the glove box in on itself, and then it will release. There's it's just held on with like little plastic tabs that you know, kind of click into place, sort of like when a door closes, it catches on the latch. You just got to push each side of the glove box in. You'll see and figure it out. Okay, I think I got it over there. Yeah. And apparently there's one on the other side. There we go. Okay. Then glove box. You see what I'm doing? Sort of comes off of these hinges right here, and the hinges go here. Okay. Okay, and you can see right here where my finger is. This is the filter box. A couple little tabs on the side there with a little arrow that says push in. We will do that. Oh, here we go. Okay, got it. Just kind of suctioned on a little bit there. Get your fingers on the other side. I found the right side to be a little bit of a son of a gun to get off. It's very difficult to get your fingers in there. You might need to put some gloves on or something because those little tabs are sharp, and you know, after you've been pressing on that for a couple minutes, your finger starts to hurt. Oh god, this thing. Holy shit. We got it. Okay. There we go. Get those little tabs off. And let's get the filter out. See what it looks like. What a prick du jour getting this thing in and out it's going to be. Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty. That's what it looked like coming out. Okay. You know what, since this was such a dirty bugger, getting it out of there, getting that little door off, I'm just going to leave it. And wait till I get another one. And then put it on. Okay. So, going on is the reverse of taking it off. You just bung the filter in there. And then put the little door back on and call it good. I'll show you when it's all buttoned back up. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Have a good day. Like and subscribe, ring that bell. Sayonara from the Dwoogdog. Okay guys, a little bit of bonus footage. If you made it this far, you don't need to, this is past the basic how to remove the air filter. But we did go up and get a new one. As you can see, the old one's pretty jammed up. Whoever stuck it in there just kind of slammed and jammed it. Now I'm a little worried because there's the edge. And look at all this extra here. Yikes. And also too, look at this. Ugh, AC Delco on a Dodge? Seriously? Also, this new air filter compared to the one that was in there, this is a way higher quality feeling filter. This one, oh god, we got crap in it already. Okay, this one, it's a basic little air filter. Well, let's go put it in, see how it works. One other thing, guys, take note. The arrows for the airflow point down. Same as on the lid, there is little arrows. And make sure they point down. Okay. Stick this thing back in, see if we can make it work. That went in quite good. Give you a little bit of a close-up on her. We got the arrow right. Okay, I think we're pressed on there pretty good. Everything looks back the way it should be. We're good to go. It's a cheap air filter, but so I'll probably buy another one next year, but normally you'd probably want to replace it every year anyway. Anyways, guys, that's it for the bonus footage. Thanks for watching. Sign out from the Dwoogdog.